Looking for the best gate latches to keep your property secure and stylish? In this video, we've rounded up top-rated options that combine durability, ease of use, and solid locking mechanisms. Whether it's for your garden, fence, or driveway, we've got you covered. Don't miss out. Number 1. Sanken Self-Locking Heavy-Duty Post-Mount Gate Latch. DIYers looking to add both security and functionality to their fence gate will want to check out the self-locking heavy-duty post-mount gate latch from Sanken's. This model has a gravity and spring-loaded mechanism that automatically latches shut when the gate closes, providing peace of mind for yards with children and pets. There is an eyelet that a user can pass a lock through for the most security, keeping the gate securely latched. Convenient self-locking latch. Locks automatically when released for use on outdoor side wood, vinyl, metal gates, etc. This gate latch is powder-coated steel and features coated hardware for durability and weather resistance. It also installs easily, as it features built-in brackets for registering against the post and gate perfectly. Also, the 3.5-inch pin offers some degree of adjustability during extreme weather changes. Number 2. Yardlock Keyless Gate Lock. For the ultimate in convenience and security, be sure to check out Yardlock's Keyless Gate Lock. This fingertip release latch features a combination lock on the outside, allowing users to unlock their gates from either side. Simply enter the code and pull down on the lockbox. There's a steel cable attached that lifts the latch on the other side, providing secure access. There is also a shroud that covers the cable on the inside to prevent nefarious characters from defeating the lock. The Yardlock Keyless Gate Lock features powder-coated steel for the latch, while the combination lock is a mix of composite materials and zinc, providing years of weather resistance. Safe and secure, reliable, no keys, batteries, or electronics needed. Can't be reached from over the fence thanks to the strong latch cover. Durable, waterproof, and will not rust. Number 3. Dandy Technologies Lock Latch Locking Gate Gravity Latch. When it comes to convenience, it's hard to find something to beat Dandy Technologies Lock Latch Gate Latch. This latch features a simple fingertip release, as well as a keyed tumbler, making passage an easy, straightforward proposition. It installs just as easily, requiring just a few screws. The latch allows for vertical adjustment up to 3/8 and horizontal adjustment up to 1.5 inch to accommodate for gate sag or ground movement over time. This durable, versatile latch is made for securing metal, wood, and vinyl gates. The lock latch features industrial-strength polymers, allowing it to resist rust and corrosion for long-lasting use. If the weather affects the gate, though, this lock has both vertical and horizontal adjustability. Simply loosen the set screws from the base and adjust it according to how much the gate sagged or moved. Number 4. National Hardware Gate Thumb Latch. For an age-old, timeless look, check out the Gate Thumb Latch from National Hardware Store. This model features a simple thumb-activated design, with the handle on the outside and the latching lever on the inside, a classic design. This steel thumb latch has an elegant black finish, with a large backplate and modern thumb latch that is easy to use. The black thumb latch is coated with National Hardware's WeatherGuard protection that protects against rust and corrosion. This powder-coated gate latch will hold up to the rigors of outdoor exposure, providing years of use. Installation is relatively simple, as the long lever provides a bit of wiggle room when locating the catch. It's suitable for gates between 1 and 3 inches thick. However, there isn't an effective way to lock this latch, so adding a gate lock might be a wise idea. Number 5. Jake Sales Wall Mount Butterfly Gate Latch. Gates in chain link fences require specially designed gate latches like this model from Jake Sales. This latch attaches in seconds, requiring just tightening the nuts on the U-bolt to hold it in place. This automatic latch fits gate frames sized 1 3/8 inches and gate posts up to 2 3/8 inches, making it perfect for standard chain link fences. Made from galvanized steel, it offers strong rust resistance and durability for outdoor use. The latch features a convenient hole for a padlock, allowing you to add extra security when needed. This latch features galvanized steel construction, allowing it to withstand weather and outdoor exposure. There are two latches, allowing the gate to swing inward or out depending on the situation. While these latches aren't automatic, they do latch using gravity. For those who would prefer to keep their chain link fence locked, there's an eyelet underneath the unit to slide a pad or a combination lock through to keep the latches from moving.